Alright guys, how's it going? I've been getting into Victorinox knives lately, and I've picked up one I want to pocket carry with a pocket clip, the Hunter Pro Alox. Pretty nice looking knife. Look at that in all of its metal shininess. Let's put it on the bench, take a look. Alright, what's in the box? I've already been playing with it, it's not the first time that I've looked at it. Little lanyard here, which is nice that it comes with it. Matches the Alox real nice. And some instructions, just the usual instructions. It shows you how to remove the pocket clip, which is good. I wouldn't have known that if I hadn't looked at it. And how to open and close, basically, that's it. Alright, now there's two versions of this. There's this one, which is the single-handed opening, and there's one without the hole for two-handed opening. But I wanted single-handed opening. And this thing, I mean, it's a bit of weight to it, which is, I miss a bit of weight in my pocket with a pocket clip knife. It's not a small knife, it's a pretty big knife really. But this is so smooth. That's smooth as silk. Reminds me of I don't know, some kind of bird, pterodactyl or something. But the steel that they use is a high carbon stainless steel, and Victorinox have some special heat treat that just works really good. Some light jimping on here. Locks up solid as a rock. There's zero movement whatsoever. And to unlock, it's sort of midway down the handle, which I like. I prefer that, because if it's right at the back or higher up, it's hard to unlock single-handed. But just in the right place, you know. Just rest it on something, or I don't know if it'll loosen up enough where you can just flick it. Probably. I could probably do that now. Let's have a go. Try not to chop my fingers off. No, not quite. But really well engineered. Beautiful. And the blade is nicely centered. It comes sharp. If I've got any hair left in this part. It cuts hair pretty good. But that's pretty gross. It's always a bonus when a knife comes sharp, isn't it? They should all come sharp. But this is pretty sharp. A little spot there you can engrave your name on. Or the special edition ones, they come with the date on there, the year. But if you want to take the clip off, all you gotta do is, what should we do here? Pretend that's your bench. Just bash it against the bench there. As the instructions said, just pop and the clip will pop out. But I don't want to take the clip out. Yeah, looking forward to carrying this. Great action, love that action. Love the positivity of it, of the locking in there. Real nice. Listen to that click. The craftsmanship is really good on these. The Alox scales, they've been around quite a long time, since 1957, and they were first used in the soldier's knife. because it's solid, really solid, well made. I mean, you can't hurt them really. And there's stainless steel lining in there. It's a solid built knife, and it's some sort of process they do with the aluminum, some sort of oxidation process that they go through, and it gives it a protective top layer. But it feels great, feels really nice, and the jimping there is perfect. I'm not normally too keen on finger grooves and a handle, but this just works because those grooves are so shallow. Yeah, at the back there, it does come down to a bit of a curve, and your hand locks in there real nice. If somebody tried to pull that out my hand, they'd have a hell of a job because it's held there nicely. And it's fairly slim, so it's going to carry nice. But just feels great. So I'm really looking forward to carrying this one. Good work knife. And I'm not using the lanyard, but I'm sure that'll come in handy, popping bottle lids off. Catch you later, guys.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.